Now this is the part 2 of our tutorial on the series on how to do the lighting calculation for football field. So let's check now on the top view what it's look like. And there you go. Can we just measure how far this one to the edge of this total training area? Because if it's too far, then we can adjust it closer. So it's more or less 5 meters away. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, and then what else? So we are now 0.36 because I move it downward. And where is the point now? It's here. The lowest point is in the middle now. And if we aim this floodlight towards there, now it's become 30. And where is the highest? Oh, it's there. Okay. And if we aimed it here again, it's again there. And what if we change the fitting, the other one into a what's that? Narrow beam optic. So if you want to change the other floodlight into narrow, you need to split this one, because otherwise it will change both of the fitting. So let's take this one as wide, and this one let's use it as narrow, which is R1. And let's see what it will look like. It's going 0.57, and if we focus there, it's going 0.8. Can we use R2 for that? Okay, this is 0.19 now, and the lowest value is here, which is not good. And if we go here, you can see while I'm aiming the point, I'm keep on looking here, because once I told you once you move it, you can see the value immediately here. So now the lower value now is becoming here. And then where is it now? So it's there. If I move it there, it's now, see, it's now 0.49. So we're closer now to our class 3. Then if I move it a little more there, oops, now it becomes lesser. But if I move this one closer to this one, perfect, look at that. In our PA, we achieved the 0.50 uniformity, and it's really good. And the lux value average is 134, but based on the standard, we only need 75 and 0.5. So it looks good, but we can play with that one later. So you can save this calculation now as your class 1. Class 3. And then we will now move forward to our class 2. So, but double check again, is the aiming correct? Because if it's too much, okay, this one is okay. Look, it's only 69. So you can round it off to 70. Because otherwise the installer will get crazy because you have so many points. You can make it as, say, 78.5. Yes, so it's still not moving. It's still okay. And this one, let's go and check. This one is 72. Sometimes up to 70-degree tilt is sometimes okay. But because, the glare requirements is 55, then I think you can go for up to 75 degrees. So let's go this one, let's make as negative 72, means 70 degree. See, now it becomes 49, so it's not good. So let's make it 72.5. So it's okay. And then let's round it out, round this one off into 31. Now it becomes 49. Can we make it 30 only? And that's much better. So class 3, we achieve it. It's now 0.5 and 104, which is actually 75. Okay, now you achieve the class 3. And okay, let's proceed now to the class 2. So for the class 2, we will add another floodlights. maybe you can just select this floodlight, this one, and then you can add it with maybe 3 more. But don't forget, don't remove that one. Actually, in AGI 32, you can lock the floodlight. It means you can um, you cannot move it anymore. You can move the other one which is unlocked. But in DIALux, I don't know if there's a lock or not lock. I don't think there is. Can we select one? Now we need to split this one because we will play it. Or you can do it manually. You can insert it manually because I want this point. I just multiplied it because I want to be in the same point. So this one, keep in mind this should be locked, and also this one. So let's play now with this one. And now since we added and we need to achieve now with class 2, we need to achieve 200 and 0.6 uniformity. So let's go and check it. And let's see. Now we are having 243. It's good. We already achieved the lux value, but the uniformity is bad. So let's go back and move it somewhere. Okay, now it's 0.4. Maybe you can... Oh, it's 0.42. See, this one is the lowest and the highest. So maybe we can adjust it somewhere here. Okay, this is for the TA. Okay. Can we just close the TA first because the lux value is now confusing. So I will select the TA and then I will just make it not in real time. Okay. Sorry, not this one, this one. Okay, so I cannot see the value of the TA now. We are now focusing on the PA. And then now we are having 225 lux and 0.45. We need 200 and 0.6. So see, this is 101. And where is the slowest? Oh, the highest is in the middle. And shit, I forgot. Is this the right? Okay, this is the R3. Okay, because I may forget which one is the locked one. Okay, so now we are 0.43 and this part is the lowest part now. So let's go and aim it there. Or maybe we can adjust it there. Here? No, becomes shorter here. Okay, now this time I think because this is the dim part, so we need to add one more fitting. Click this one, make it red, and then add one more. Say this, make it 2. Then enter. And then if you want to split it, you can split it now. And then say, there you go. Now we are 0.58. We have 273 lux and 0.58. And then maybe we can change the beam of that one into R3. Okay, or maybe R6, same, or R1. I think R6 is the best. We still have R2 and R5 in our optics collections, and you can also play that one if it's really hard to achieve the uniformity in lux level. I choose these 3 only because this is usually I use to play with. And the more you have the options, sometimes it's really confusing. So yeah, make yourself simple and easy. Okay, so now we have 58 and let's look where is the lowest value now. In the middle is there. And I'm looking for the... There you go. See? Now we have it. So 272 and 0.63 lux. Now we need to check the what do you call that? The aiming point or the tilting point of that. So this one, the one with the red. Okay, let's check if the rotation is correct. Okay. Then we have to make it, see, it's 71. It's a no. So let's make it um, negative 70, and let's see what will happen. So it's not good. So can we make it, so if you really want to stay with the 70 and you want to reach the middle, then you need to increase the height of the mast. So because we want to comply with 70 only, then we need to stick on the 70. Okay, so let's see if we can get it, but I'm not sure even if I change it into R1. Okay, R1 seems okay. That looks fine. It's 0.54. And then this one, can we, to check it, it's points negative, we have to make it 70 degree. Now it's 0.54, but if we change it into R1, this is not good. Okay, so yeah, so for now I would suggest that we need to increase the height of the mast into 20 because I use only 16. The more you are experienced in sports lighting design, you will maximize the potential of the most minimum height of the mast with the most minimum quantity of the floodlights. So that is important for the client because they maybe don't want to spend much more in the luminaires or in the poles. So yeah, so how to increase the floodlights, or sorry, the mast, is you select everything, then Control R because you selected also the ground, or you can select it here actually, yeah, and then mounting height and make it 20. Now it increased. The one that I locked now is gone. So you can do it again, but I think we don't need to tilt the floodlights into 70 because the height of the mast is now increasing. So for now, can we just remove it, this one again, and check if our class 3 is still achieving. Now this one is not because see, it's 0.36 and we need 0.5. And if I want to make this one as only 70 degree tilting, then it's now 0.46. Okay, more, but because the highest point is there, so we need to choose a luminaire which is maybe wide beam or mid wide beam. Okay, there you go. I think this is fine. Aiming point still okay. And then maybe we need to at least adjust it here because see, this is the part where, oh, see, now it's 0.56 as you can see, and 107 lux. So let's go and make it negative 70 or 70 degree tilt. Yeah, so now we achieve the class 3 again, the 107 and 0.56, but the heights become 20 meters high pole. And this one, let's check if the tilting is still there. Okay, very good, 70 degrees. And then so let's lock this one now and let's proceed to class 2, which is 200 lux and 0.6 uniformity again. Okay, for you to retain a calculation result for class 1, you can label this one. You can create 3 scenes, which is for the class 1, class 2, and class 3. So to do that, let's create this one as class 3. And then copy this one, duplicate, and make this one as class 2. And then go now to the plan view and then play with that. Just remember so that you will have another copy of your class 1. Okay, that's a nice strategy also. Okay, let's go now and double this one. Let's make it 3 fittings because we will use this one for our class 2. and then tilt it somewhere here, and then split it. There you go. So what is the value now? It's 200 lux and it's 0.46. Now it's getting better. It seems it's easier now to achieve it. So let's focus it here. Now it's 0.47. Where's the lowest? Here is the lowest. So let's tilt it here a little here. Now it's 0.48. Can we add one more? So we can tilt it there and then split it so we can play with a beam. Now it's 235 lux and 0.65. Now it's so easy. Looks good. So let's check the the tilting. Let's go. This one is, can we make it 70, the maximum one? And then let's round it off into 11 or 12 maybe. Okay, this looks good. And the other one, let's make it, 68 is fine. And then this one, let's make it 96 to the side. So, yes, we achieved now the class 2, which is 200 lux and 60. Later, we will calculate the glare. Okay. Yeah. So, after that, let's go and do the class 1. Okay, so let's start now and create the class 1. So again, copy this one and then duplicate it, and then let's label it as class 1 and then enter, and then close this one, and then and then go to the plan view. So now you have your class 2 here, and then we will add again our, let's save it for now because you may ask for the copy of this one later. So let's say football sample calculation, and let's go and save it into the desktop. Okay, so we'll proceed now and go for the class 1. Class 1 says you need to have at least 500 lux and 0.7 uniformity. And of course, the glare, maximum glare is up to 50 only. This 60 means this is the color rendering index. So it means 6,000, sorry, it's not 6,000 Kelvin. A CRI, 60 CRI. Yeah, color rendering index. So 60 is enough. Some sodium lamp or metal halide lamp can achieve the 60 CRI. Okay. So now let's go and achieve the 0.7 and 500 lux requirements. So you can see here now, this is the lowest point, I think. Where's the other point? Cannot see the other point. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's there, which means it's near to the pole. This is the lowest. You can see it's highlighted, and this one is the highest. So let's go and add this one. Let's maybe add two more fittings, and then aim it there. Ah, look at that. Now it's 0.69 already, but the lux value is not enough. It's 295 only. And then the highest, and then aim it there again. Did I just touch? Shucks, sorry. I think I touched the lux one. So okay, let's go and make it 3. And then let's split it. There you go. So now we have 357 lux. Uniformity is this one. Not good. So maybe we can make it. Oh my God, look at that. Now it's 343 and 0.77 uniformity. So we need to add more, I think, here in the middle, or make this one as, this is already R6. If we change it into R3, let's see what's the value. 351. Nice. And 0.71. And then let's make this one as If we make it R1, it will be the lux value. Okay, not good. It's R3. Okay, we stay with the R6, and let's go and check the aiming point. Okay, let's make it 70-degree tilt. See, nights is 0.71 and 360, so we need 500, and you can see this one is the lowest. So let's check this one. Okay, 73-degree tilt, and let's round it into 52. There you go. Okay, I think this is fine, or maybe we can tilt it a little there. Perfect. Yeah, so this is the highest and this is the lowest. Can make it 70. This one is 60. And then maybe we can add one more here just to check if it's, yeah, we need one more here, and then can duplicate it. Make it 2. And then adjust it there, and then split. And then make this one into maybe this is R6. If we make it R3, see, this is 423 and 0.68. If we make it R1, not good. Where's the lowest and the highest? So we need to have it R6 again. I see the highest is here, and the lowest is somewhere here on this side. So we need to adjust something there. Okay, let's keep it this way. And because we still have we only have 400 lux, but the uniform is good, it means we need one more floodlight. So let's keep this way as 70 here, and this one is 19. Okay, looks good. And then because the lowest part is here, we can add one more here. Let's make it 2 pieces, so we can add one more. And then now it's 450 and 0.74 uniformity is good. Then let's add it there. Actually, the lux value is still not enough, but if we can make it both R1, now it's getting nicer. See, now it's 486, but the uniformity suffers. If we make it R3, 0.78. Okay, looks good. But you really need to play with it. So because I think the one I touch is a locked one. Okay, let's go and check. Oh no, class 2, it's not the locked one. Okay, so I can play with it. And then say, yeah, 483. And then 480. That's the other locked part. These two are the locked. Okay, so I can play with this one. Yes. Oh, 491 and 65. So where's the highest now? It's there. So we need to play with it a little more here. Oh no. The highest is here, and the lowest is there. Okay, let's go and check again. Really, we need to be very patient on this one.